Could a simple 1 Rand coin from 1999 be worth over $10 million today? You heard that right. A coin you might think is ordinary could be hiding a secret that makes it one of the most valuable modern coins in the world. Welcome back to Coin ZF, your go-to channel for rare coins, shocking values, and collector secrets. If you're a coin collector, a curious investor, or just love discovering hidden treasures, this episode is for you. Before we dive into the mystery of the 1999 1 Rand, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a story that could change your financial future. Let's start with the basics. The 1999 1 Rand coin from South Africa features the iconic springbok antelope, a symbol of strength and agility on one side. On the reverse, you'll find the national coat of arms and the year, 1999. But here's where things get interesting. Not all 1999 1 Rand coins are equal. Some were minted with rare errors, and others were special proof strikes meant only for VIP collectors or government presentation sets. How can this coin be worth over $10 million? Here are the key factors that skyrocket its value. The global rare coin market has exploded. In recent years, if this trend continues, African rarities like the 1999 1 Rand will attract even more attention. And if just one coin is rumored to be in solid gold or with a misprint, collectors will pay anything. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever found a 1999 1 Rand coin in your old drawers, coin box, or purse? Comment below if you own any South African coins. You might be sitting on a small fortune. Smash that like button if you're learning something new, and share this video with someone from South Africa. They might thank you later. There are 4 known mysteries around this coin that keep experts talking that we tried contacting South Africa's mint for answers. But they declined to comment. Here's how to check if your 1999 1 Rand is rare. Let's break down the potential value tiers. A 1 Rand coin from 1999 potentially worth more than a mansion, a Ferrari collection, or a private island. Is this just hype or a treasure still waiting to be discovered? If you own one, get it evaluated. And if you don't, maybe it's time to start checking your old coin jars again. Thanks for watching Coin ZF. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the world of rare coins. See you in the next episode.